Git is a distributed version control system for software development. It was created by Linus Torvalds in 2005 to manage the development of the Linux kernel, but it has since become popular for managing software projects of all kinds. With Git, developers can track changes to their code over time, collaborate with other developers, and manage different versions of their code. Git allows developers to work on their own copies of a project, called branches, and to merge changes from multiple branches into a single branch. Git is widely used in software development because it is fast, efficient, and powerful. It is also free and open source, which means that anyone can use, modify, and distribute the software. There are many tools and services that support Git, including GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket, which provide hosting and collaboration features for Git repositories. Git uses a distributed model, which means that every developer has a complete copy of the code repository on their local computer. This makes it easy to work on code offline and merge changes later. Git uses a branching model, which means that developers can create branches of the codebase to work on specific features, bug fixes, or experiments. This allows multiple developers to work on different parts of the codebase simultaneously without interfering with each other's work. Git tracks changes to files, not just versions. This means that Git can tell you what changes were made to a file, who made them, and when they were made. This makes it easy to roll back changes or to see how a file has evolved over time. Git is highly customizable. Developers can create custom Git hooks to automate tasks, use Git submodules to manage dependencies, and use Git aliases to create shortcuts for frequently used commands. Git is used not only for software development, but also for managing other types of files, such as documents, images, and configuration files. Git is supported by many popular development tools, including text editors, integrated development environments, IDEs, and continuous integration/delivery, CI/CD, pipelines. Overall, Git is a powerful tool for managing code and collaborating with other developers. It has become an essential part of modern software development and is used by millions of developers around the world.